On behalf of Expert Village, I'm Laura Banford, and I'm going to teach you how to make buttermilk baked chicken and garlic mashed potatoes. Now we're going to mix the buttermilk marinade for our chicken. This is kind of fun, I think. I'm going to take an onion. This is purely for flavor, so you can chop it up concassé, which means rough chop. It really doesn't matter because it's just for the marinade. So I'm just going to basically cut it in a couple of pieces. It's going to add a lot of flavor to our marinade. Put it in the bowl. I'm going to add the buttermilk, but I'm not going to add all of the buttermilk because I'm going to reserve some of it for our garlic mashed potatoes. That looks like probably enough. I'm going to add some oil. Oil is going to help be part of the help that's going to allow the chicken to brown in the oven. We've got some mustard. Again, more flavor. Some hot sauce, any kind of hot sauce you like. It doesn't really make the chicken spicy. It just adds a little bit of dimension to the chicken. There's a lot of marinade here, and it's not going to, it just adds a little something. This is a poultry seasoning blend. Some salt and pepper. And now we're going to whisk just to get all the flavors incorporated. It looks good. And when we come back, we're going to marinate our chicken.